What's up guys, welcome to another video. As you saw in the title, I just bought a new project car. It is another MST RMX drift car, and what it has is these little red aluminum pieces that go in between the links, and it has fully aluminum shocks, and the motor is mounted up high instead of down here to put more weight in the back, and the only thing it needs is a servo. Wheels and tires. I already have wheels, and I ordered tires and a body, and then it needed front body post. First thing that I'm going to do is install a servo. I have this leftover Spectrum servo, so I'm going to be using this. I just dug through some old RC stuff and found some old servo boxes, and I got the servo all the way in, and I found like this little thing that goes between the servo horn and the link that attaches to the servo horn that lets it spin instead of being tight so it doesn't turn, and now it works great. Turn the remote on, turn the car on, and works great. And this is just a normal RC servo, but this switch was in the way because this is bigger than the normal drift servos. So I took it out, and now I'm gonna have to remount this next. So I had some issues with the gyro being in reverse, so instead of counter steering and help you drift, it would just spin out. So right there where it says rev, there's a switch in that little like box underneath it, and you have to use a thumbtack. It's so tiny, but the gyro was actually in reverse, so I switched the switch, and now it works fine, and now it drifts properly. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure you stay tuned, because in the next couple of videos this thing is going to be looking sick, and I'll catch you guys in the playlist. See ya.